To use the digital key to your car, what you need to do is when you actually open up your phone, you basically need to log in and go to your Apple Pay or Google Pay wallet, and you can basically just activate it using your Face ID. You can see right here, this is the handle, and how you can lock or unlock your vehicle with the key is you basically want to take your phone, this is your phone, and tap it against here when the key is open on your phone. Now, once you've done that, your vehicle will unlock or lock depending on what you want to do. And when you're in the vehicle, how you can actually turn it on or turn it off is you can see right here, there's this compartment, which you basically need to have the key open on your phone, and basically just place your phone flat in there, just like so, or just in this middle area. But right here works the best. It turns on every single time, and you click on the start button when your key is in there and your phone is open. In doing so, once you've actually put your key in there, your vehicle will actually turn on, and you're able to actually remove your phone from this compartment if you want to turn on some directions, such as a GPS or a map. You can basically use it however you want. And to turn off your vehicle, you obviously click the button, and when you get out, you can lock the door just by clicking your key on the handle like so. It does not lock automatically if you walk away like a lot of the normal keys. But if you found this helpful, that's pretty much all the tips and tricks you need to do. And yeah, like and subscribe. Have a great day. Peace out, y'all.